Fun Facts presents the 1953, the C1 generation Chevrolet Corvette. Is it a classic muscle car? Perhaps not. It was introduced back in 1953 and production ran through 1963. I think it has its heritage already in place as being the first generation ever of the Chevrolet Corvette, and that's why we're doing a video today. So if you're excited, I'm excited. Let's get started now. The 1953 Corvette, a great-looking two-seater, became America's first fiberglass mass-produced sports car. A total of 300 units were produced that first year. The first Corvette model came off the line in Flint, Michigan on June 30th, 1953. Did you know that the 1953 Corvette is probably more desirable today than it was when it was new? Because the first Corvette was limited to a total production of just 300 units, combined with the fact that the 1953 was the first year the car was produced, make it one of the rarest and most sought after collectible Corvettes of all time. Of the first 300 1953 Corvettes, approximately 225 are still known to exist today. Each fiberglass body began as 46 separate pieces that were supplied by the Molded Fiberglass Company in Ashtabula, Ohio. Workers had to fit all of these into wooden jigs, then glue them together into a larger sub-assemblies. All of this increased the probability for error and vastly increased the assembly time. Even worse, many of the pieces did not fit together well as delivered because of molding flaws that required still more hand labor to correct. To eliminate further confusion and additional manufacturing delays, all of the first 300 Corvettes were built the same way, enabling workers to concentrate on putting the bodies together properly without feeling rushed and without the distraction of trim and equipment variations. As a result, all 1953 Corvettes were painted polo white and had sportsman red interiors, just like the concept car before them, with black tops. 4-ply white wall tires, Delco signal seeking radios, and standard array of analog instruments, which included a 5,000 RPM tachometer and a counter for total engine revolutions, a feature that would continue through 1959. When introduced in 1953, the Corvette featured the Blue Flame 6-cylinder engine, also known as the Stove-Bolt 6 by the engineering teams at GM. Although other GM motor cars models featured V8s, they were not willing to share these more powerful engines with the new Chevrolet concept car. The Stove-Bolt 6-cylinder was renowned for reliability, but with an engine rating of only 105 horsepower, it lacked the performance and sportiness that people expected from a two-seat sports car. A more radical camshaft, solid lifters, dual-valve springs, and higher compression ratio cylinder head all contributed to an engine increase output of 150 brake horsepower, but still left many potential buyers questioning the overall performance capabilities of the first Corvette. Even before the first production Corvettes rolled off the assembly lines, the car had began to suffer from a type of identity crisis. The term sports car generally indicated a car that had racetrack level performance along with the discomfort and the added noise that such a car usually entailed. Attempting to appeal to a broader audience than merely that of the sports car variety entrepreneurs, Corvette was designed to offer comfort and convenience, which caused the car to fail dramatically short of the expectations of the sports car enthusiasts. If you've made it this far into the video, we'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch our video. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, as it really does help our channel. If you like our channel, please subscribe, because we'll be doing all of the muscle cars, the sports cars, the hybrid cars, the supercars, hot rods, custom cars, autoramas, so there's a little bit of everything for everybody. If you like the article from which I'm reading, it's from a website. It's called corvsport.com. I'm going to leave a link below the video in the description, and you can continue to read all about the 1953 C1 Corvette. So, as always, take care. We'll look forward to seeing you when we upload our next video, and always have a great day.